Welcome! Today we would like to give you the answers of the most frequently asked questions about the Combeenation Configurator platform. In this video, our main focus is on agencies, companies and people who are interested in creating their own configurators on the platform. With the Combeenation platform, companies can quickly and easily create an unlimited number of product configurators, no matter if in 2D or 3D. In addition, it is also possible to display products in 3D and augmented reality with just one click and integrate them into your website. You can implement both simple and complex configurators with the platform. For example, a simple configurator could present sunglasses that are available in 2 different colors. A complex configurator could again be a garden shed with many different configuration options. With the Combeenation platform, you have almost unlimited design options. You can make cosmetic changes such as colors or surface adjustments, as well as functional adjustments that allow you to show and hide elements. Dimensionally accurate sizing can also be implemented. In addition to the numerous configuration and personalization options, various applications result from this. One example is the direct creation of a quotation or an export of a 3D model and technical drawings from the configuration. Even simple adjustments like exchanging a background can be implemented effortlessly. As you can see, there are countless possibilities, and I could continue the list indefinitely. To give a little bit more insight, we would like to mention a few points which are included in the development environment. For example, interactive viewers for 2D and 3D, asset management area with version management, productive and test environment for the configurators, version history with rollback functions, multiple standard checkout options, a dashboard with key performance indicators, user administration and rights management, automatic, scheduled or push-based data import in the dedicated workflow area. Again and again, we get the question whether the Combeenation platform is a long-term solution. And yes, it is. Combeenation configurators are designed from the ground up to be maintainable and easily extendable over the long term. In addition, we continuously develop the platform further, which is to the benefit of all our customers.
At present, it is not yet possible without any technical knowledge at all. Web or JavaScript developers are able to build configurators with the platform. After register, free of charge, they can quickly get started with the help of a demo project. Our experience shows that it is possible to create simple configurators within a short time. In order to specifically map and create specific configuration logics, we have developed a programming language called Hive, whose syntax is strongly based on JavaScript. By using JavaScript, Combeenation configurators can be extended with a variety of customer-specific functions. To facilitate the use of the platform, we provide a developer documentation with detailed explanations. In addition, we have a forum, and tutorial videos are available online. Furthermore, we are happy to offer initial onboarding at any time and are available to answer any question you may have. Combeenation uses the Microsoft Azure Cloud platform. The configurator data is stored in European data centers. Communication with the end device is always encrypted via TLS. The product master data and the product logic, which are your intellectual property, are never transferred to the end device, but processed in the cloud, and only the display results are sent to the end device in real time.
The integration of Combeenation configurators is straightforward. The configurator is integrated via iframe wherever you want and as often as you want, either directly on the start page, product page, or in a dealer portal or customer portal. The platform can connect all systems that provide an API. You need to define how the systems communicate with each other and what data should be exchanged. Let's look at the use case for automated data import. Shopware provides a URL with an authentication key. Using this, all data such as prices, availabilities, and product data can be retrieved in real time or at a specified interval. The data can be easily connected using our platform feature Workflows and used in the configurator. This ensures that the data only needs to be maintained at one point and is always up to date in the configurator. In addition to importing data, it is of course also important to be able to further process the completed configuration. The goal of the checkout process is it to transfer specific information or data from the configuration to the shopping cart, the ERP system, to a third-party application or to the customer. For the most common shop systems, we have already created plugins. In addition, REST or FTP calls are possible to ensure the connection to all systems.
The time you need to create the configurator depends on several factors, including the complexity of the configurator, the functionality, the desired features, and the experience of the development team. Often, it is the features that are not directly visible that consume a lot of time, such as database connections, detailed dimensions, or PDF data creation. A very simple product configurator can be implemented in just a few hours. For somewhat more extensive configurators, you need in the range of 60 to 120 hours. And depending on the product complexity, like a modular system furniture, also up to 300 hours. These hours are for the implementation only and do not include 3D models, specification or project management. If you need a more detailed information on this topic, we would like to refer to our separate video in which we present various case studies with the required hours in detail. In any case, with the combination platform, you are much faster, up to 80% than a self-build where you have to program everything yourself.
How do I get 3D models for my configurator? Well, there are several ways to have a 3D model created. So if you have sufficient experience, you can of course create the 3D models yourself. Otherwise, we recommend using an agency specialized on 3D modeling. We at Combeenation also have a 3D service where you can have your desired 3D models created at a fixed price without much effort. However, if you already have a 3D model, we will be happy to review the existing material. The central question that we ask ourselves is, in which formats are these data available and are they already web optimized? You will certainly ask yourself, how much does this 3D model cost me? The price of a 3D model depends on several factors. From the level of detail and complexity of the product, of course. Is it a simple round soccer ball or a detailed kitchen appliance? And of course from the modularity. So for example, how many parts must be configured later on in the configuration? Then from the source data. For example, are there pictures, technical documentations, or even better, 3D data available? Since we get the question again and again, we have created an online page. In there are examples of 3D models which are deposited with a quick price. So you can get an approximation and a feel of it. When it comes to 3D data for configurators, you essentially have to consider one very important criteria. The 3D model should be suitable for web use. This means that they must have both small file size and be optimized for low poly meshes, so that they can be displayed well on the internet. It is important that they can be displayed smoothly on any device and still showing all the important details of your product. Don't use high-end models that are often used in architecture or advertising, but use web-ready 3D models instead. There are different source data for 3D data. Generally, the more imprecise and the more unstructured the data, the more complex and expensive it will get. The most common data sources include CAD data, photos, polygonal data, drawing in vector or raster format, and physically provided products. For more detailed information on the individual source data, please refer to our blog article, Creating 3D Models, Which Data is Suitable. I hope that we were able to help you clarify any unanswered questions and that you have a better understanding of how to create your own configurator on our platform.